I'm Claudia Mills, and I'm excited to present my latest listing, 1241 Stanford Avenue in Emeryville. This modern farmhouse-style 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is yet another example of excellence, brought to you by local builder Cornerstone Capital. You enter into the stylish open floor plan design great room. The living area is flanked by a multitude of large windows, and combined with its recessed LED lighting and designer sconces, the space has perfect light, day or night. Then there's the kitchen, which is set apart by the marble-topped island where you can sit and kibitz with the cook. Here you can find everything that a chef would want. Marble counters and backsplash, stainless steel high-end appliances, everything that makes cooking easy and fun. Across the way is the dining area with its French door access to the deck beyond. A perfect place to have your morning coffee. Then you go by the charmingly detailed powder room and down a couple of steps into the primary suite. This room is capacious and full of light thanks to another set of French doors that open to the backyard. The accompanying bath is wonderful due to features like floor-to-ceiling designer penny tile and large bespoke trough vanity sink. Going out to the backyard, you find an easy-to-maintain surf tone paver, perfect for parking your car. There's even an automatic gate that ensures security. In the rear of the yard is a charming small accessory building perfect for an office or playhouse, or just really nice storage. Then it's up the stairs to the other bedrooms. They're nicely sized and detailed and full of light. And they share a smart bath that's swathed in marble tile and counters. So here is a beautiful home ready to move in, but all real estate has its value measured by where it is and not only what it is. And here 1241 is in one of the East Bay's most vibrant and central areas. Across the street is a perfect little playground, leaving you with the feeling that it was made for this home. And just a few blocks away is the Bay Street Mall with all its marvelous amenities. The rest of Emeryville is chock full of fun eateries and parks for the kids and Pixar, which is where all kids want to be. It's one of those neighborhoods that's constantly evolving. So here's the perfect home located in the middle of a great neighborhood. It doesn't get much better than this. For more information about this charming home, please call me at 510-350-6419. And thanks for watching.